has failed us, or we think people have failed us, but then go my iti, let's go back to the Lord. So you need to go deep and intercede ngayo le moment like. You must go deep. Just go deep. Robert Spikers ngithokoza uZimu owenze ukuthi sihlangane and strengthen the relationship between of course and yourselves. And iwani into engichazako kimi, the willingness to support the communities. That's where of course is. Abantu that cares about the community, those are our friends. The people